Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll share to you how to change caption on TikTok videos. Okay, if there is someone want to know how to change the caption on video TikTok, please look at this tutorial. The first time you must click this and tap tautan or link copied, and then you go to Chrome and click here snaptic.app and then enter. After this you must click paste here and download. After this you click download server 01 and close the iklan. Wait moment, close. Okay, until video start. We repeat, your videos is downloaded. It means our video is downloaded. This is why the video downloading. If finish, you open the TikTok application again. We open TikTok and we tap plus button here, and this the upload videos. You click and you post again the same videos with the download without watermark, and click next. And don't forget, you type here the caption, the new caption. Maybe we will example how to download YouTube example like this, and you post the videos TikTok like as usual. That's all the tutorial how to change caption on TikTok videos. May useful. See you on the next video.